Entrepreneurs and investors waste hours daily on the tasks that AI could handle in seconds. What if you had your own AI team player serving your business and available 24/7? We know that everywhere is AI nowadays, but how do you turn it into an asset that helps you attract clients and investors, generate revenue, and scale your business without extra work? A couple years ago, I saw the potential of AI, but I was so overwhelmed because AI and ChatGPT was creating such a generic responses, very inconsistent, and truly didn't fit my business. I spent hours and hours tweaking prompts, manually fixing different outputs, feeling so frustrated until I realized the problem wasn't AI itself, but how we were using it. So I spent months and months defining a step-by-step process how to turn ChatGPT from generic chatbot into a customized business assistant. So much changed after that. We start creating content so much faster, start being able to serve our clients quicker, and my team and I gain back hours every single day. And the best part, when I share the system with others, entrepreneurs and investors just like you, start seeing the same badass results. That's why I created the Build Your Custom GPT in 5 days challenge. So you stop wasting your time, take control of AI, and make it work for you. Most people unfortunately use AI in the wrong way. This challenge will show you how to customize it so it speaks your language, fits your business, and works like an extension of your team. In this challenge, we will have daily pre-recorded step-by-step trainings, very short and easy, so you'll be able to do your tasks and be able to complete them on time. We will also have bonuses and giveaways, so make sure you participate in this challenge and post your homework. By the end of this challenge, you won't just understand AI, you'll have your own AI team player ready to work for you 24/7. Dozens of business owners and real estate investors have already implemented this system, saving hours and achieving results 3 to 5 times faster with AI. So you have two choices. Keep doing the manual work or let AI do the work for you. Join the challenge now and see the difference.